Hello. Have you ever wondered why Earth looks the way it does? Why do we have towering mountains, deep ocean trenches, and even earthquakes that shake the ground? The answer lies in the incredible forces that shape our planet. Deep beneath our feet, Earth is a dynamic place, full of heat and movement. This heat comes from the formation of our planet billions of years ago and from the decay of radioactive elements in Earth's core. Certain elements, such as potassium, uranium, and thorium, break down into other elements and during this process release heat. This heat creates a slow but powerful flow of material within the Earth. This movement of material is like a giant conveyor belt, carrying heat from the hot interior to the cooler surface. Hotter, less dense material rises and cooler, denser material sinks, causing a slow, almost circular motion. As the material rises and falls in the layer of semi-solid rock in the mantle, these convection currents create forces that push and pull on Earth's crust. These movements can cause dramatic changes in Earth's surface, including volcanic eruptions. When plates collide or move apart, magma, which is molten rock, rises to the surface where it can erupt as lava, forming volcanoes. Earthquakes. The movement of Earth's crust can also cause earthquakes, which are sudden shaking of the ground caused by the shift and breaks in Earth's crust. Mountain building. The collision of continents can push up Earth's crust, creating towering mountain ranges. Ocean basin formation. The movement of Earth's crust can also create ocean basins, which are large depressions in Earth's surface filled with water. So the heat from Earth's core through mantle convection and plate tectonics is constantly reshaping our planet's surface, creating mountains, volcanoes, and other features we see. The next time you look at a mountain, earthquake, or volcano, remember that these are all signs of the powerful forces at work beneath Earth's surface. The heat flow and movement of material within our planet are constantly shaping and reshaping the world around us. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the forces that shape our planet. Thank you for watching.